హలో అండి. Video is not clear. Rishita ma'am, yes, today it's like night show for us. వస్తుంది వదిలేసాను. So this episode we're going to show you the beautiful fancy sarees అండి. Video is not clear. No sleep, no ma'am. Today it's work time. Because the last 2 days of the sale, right? So a lot of people have been waiting for that. Tripod తెచ్చుకో కూడా so that it's easy for us. It's blurry ma'am. ఒక్క నిమిషం. Maybe it filtered out. ఒకసారి చూడరా. Your video is blurred. 1 second ma'am. Ma'am, I hope the video is clear now. So this episode we are going to show you the beautiful fancy sarees andi. What I'm wearing is also a nice green color, bottle green organza saree with completely zari. Lovely organza it is. Ma'am, I hope the video is clear. ఒకసారి వేరే ఫోన్ ఏదైనా తీసుకుంటా. And the beautiful jewelry is by Pavan Mo Jewelers, Panjagutta andi. 1 second ma'am, I'm just checking the video quality. Okay Nanana. Check this beautiful earrings, diamond earrings with a nice emerald and this neck piece choker. It's by Pavan Mo Jewelers, Panjagutta. This is how the choker is andi. Very beautiful it is. It's all made in diamonds andi. It's completely a diamond set. Very beautiful it is. Pavan Mo Jewelers, Panjagutta andi. Earrings are also beautiful. And the saree I'm wearing is a beautiful organza. This is how it is. Lovely gold zari on the border. And this is how the border is. Beautiful it is. Completely made in Kota Patti and sadi work. And you have a stitched blouse for the sari. Let me show you how it looks. Blur ఎందుకు వస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా ఇప్పుడు కనెక్ట్ అవ్వు ma'am. I hope now the quality is going to be okay. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing andi, a beautiful green organza sari. A very beautiful green organza sari. And you have a stitch blouse for this, so don't miss it. Thank you. Yeah. Sorry for the interruption. So the beautiful jewelry is by Pavan Mo Jewelers andi, Pavan Mo Jewelers, Panjagutta, and I'm wearing a bottle green organza sari. And this is how the pallu is with a bottle green blouse. The work, everything is handmade, ma'am. If you see, it's a pure organza with completely pearl work, nakshi work, and you have a stitched blouse like this. See, this is the blouse. Don't miss this sari, ma'am. Lovely bottle green organza. See the Gotapati work completely. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. And this is the back of the blouse. This is the blouse back side, and the blouse is of 38 to 40 size if I'm not wrong. And this is the sleeve. This is how it is. Wonderful sari and a wonderful blouse. The price of the sari is 22,500, and the offer you're getting this sari at 18,500. After discount, it's at 18,500. Actual price is 22,500. So I have amazing colors in this. Don't miss it. See this beautiful color sari, purple. మ్యామ్ నేను వేసుకున్న దాంట్లో వన్ మోర్ పర్పుల్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇట్ ఇస్ see this purple don't miss this sari ma'am this is amazing I love this purple 22,500 and after discount you're getting this at 18,500 oh wow this is a lovely purple andi ekkadiki thank you so much ఎక్కువసేపు వెళ్ళకరా ఎక్కువసేపు వెళ్ళిపోకు అక్కడ ఉంటుందన్న ఒక ఫోటో ఎందుకు అయిపోద్ది ఇది వద్దు అటే వద్దాం అటే వెళ్ళిపోదాంలే మ్యామ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ పర్పుల్ కలర్ సారీ విత్ కంప్లీట్లీ గోల్డెన్ స్ట్రైప్స్ అది పెట్టు ఓకే సరే దిస్ ఇస్ అ నైస్ ఓకే నాన్న దిస్ ఇస్ అ నైస్ పర్పుల్ కలర్ సారీ అండి చాలా బాగుంది లుక్ ఎట్ ది జరీ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇట్స్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ యాక్చువల్లీ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ జరీ you see the quality this is how the sari is and this is the pallu this is the complete pallu excellent ma'am the sari is very beautiful see the complete kotapatti work and let me show you the blouse also blouse 36 to 40 anybody can fit into that and this is how the blouse is it's a stitched ready-made blouse these all are fancy saris don't miss them 22,500 is the actual price and in the offer you're getting this at 18,500 this is the back and these are the sleeves ma'am look at the sleeve work completely handmade and I have one more yellow also in this lovely sari ఒకసారి ఫోన్ ఇరాలి అది awesome Shashi even hi dear show some sarees in affordable range Divya hi Saujanya Srinivas hi Nikita hi Supriya ma'am definitely I'll make the sizes up to 44 I'm really sorry till 40 I'm making it I will make it ma'am I'm sorry for that next let me one more color I have in this yellow beautiful yellow organza sari amazing it is see this is how the complete border is very nice ma'am very nice border and this is the blouse beautiful stitched gotapatti work it has complete dori also ma'am I'll show you how it looks when you wear it actually see ma'am this is how it looks with this sari very beautiful yellow pure organza zari sari and with completely edge piping and with pallu border 22,500 is the actual price and in the offer you're getting it at 18,500 don't miss it jewelry is by Pavanmo Jewellers andi Panjagutta next I have a pretty organza sari andi very beautiful sober organza sari this is very sober it is this is how it is ma'am smart organza Sujata hi nana bandage kanchis I'll show you now ma'am and this is how the pallu is blouse stitched blouse ma'am you have a stitched blouse like this very papa else no cover chestna this is a beautiful blouse ma'am with complete Banarasi and deer print and all if you see on the blouse this is the back beautiful and a beautiful blouse ma'am price of chesi the price of this sari is 14,000 ma'am and after discount you're getting this sari at 11,500 after discount you're getting this sari at 11,500 the actual price is 14,050 rupees or something it's a pure organza with a thread work completely next I have colors in that I have bandage with color kanchi border I'll show you this is a lovely organza andi lovely organza with this is a lovely organza ఒక్క నిమిషం మ్యామ్ పాప ఇది పట్టుకో ఒకసారి ఇట్లా వచ్చేసింది This is a beautiful organza with this pallu and with this blouse. It's a mint green organza, Andy. Mint green organza with this completely stitched blouse, and the size is up to 36 to 40. This is the back. Ma'am, these all are the pure sarees, ma'am. This is a pure organza with this nice blouse. You have a self blouse as well as a contrast blouse, two blouses. The price of the saree is 14,050 rupees and the offer price is 11,500. I have one more color, yellow only. Nice yellow organza. See? Very nice, no? Smart saree. It looks very hot when you wear it. With the same blouse. Stitched blouse as well as plain blouse. 14,500 and in the offer you get this at 11,500. Pure organza. You see the work and everything. Next, I have pink color. I have a pink organza. Beautiful baby pink organza with thread work and everything. With this pallu. And with the stitch blouse. 11,500 is the offer price. Actual price is 14,000 rupees. These all are the pure organzas, ma'am. And with completely thread work. This is pastel color, Andy. This is the last color what we have in this. This is a sea blue, I can call it. This is a sea blue. It is, huh? It is 14,000 rupees and after discount you're getting it at 11,500. So get me that bandage sarees. Ma'am, let me show you the bandage sarees, ma'am. This beautiful jewelry is by Pavanmo Jewellers, Panjagutta, Andi. Very beautiful sarees I'm going to show you. Lot of people have been waiting for this bandage. So please pick them up now. Kanjivaram bandage Sandi. Oh, lovely sarees we have received, ma'am. This is very beautiful. Kanjivaram bandage. Pink with silver. You're getting in the offer at 15,999 only and the actual price is more than 18. In the offer you're getting this sari at 15,999 only. Don't miss this. Actual price is more than 18,000 rupees. This is how the pallu is. 15,999 you're getting this Kanchi bandage sari. Lovely sari, Andy. Don't miss it. This is how it is. Next one I'll show. This is mustard Kanchivaram bandage sari. Very beautiful it is. See, both the sides you have equal border. Blouse petrox, sorry, Papa. This is how the blouse is, ma'am. Beautiful Kanjivaram bandage sari. Beautiful, no? Lovely it is. 15,999 only, Andy. You're getting it at 15,999. Ma'am, please contact on 9949047889, ma'am, for orders. And this is a lovely, lovely pink color. Pink with purple combination. Kanchi bandage saris. 15,999 only, ma'am. These are. Ma'am, deentlo prices kuda vary avutayi according to the stitch of the entire bandage. This is a very nearby stitch, ma'am. This is also 15,999 after discount, Andy. This is silver board pallu. And with this blouse. Very beautiful sari this is. Don't miss it. 15,999 only. Excellent green and dark green bandage sari, Andy. Very beautiful it is. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889 and don't miss this offers, Andy. This is how the pallu is. And this is the blouse. Lovely sari it is. Mehendi green bandage sari it is. This is how the blouse. Next, after discount, you're getting this at 15,999 only. Next. This is Rani pink with copper sulphate blue andi. Rani pink sari with a copper sulphate blue bandage sari. Kanchipuram saris, all these are. Fancy Banarasi bandage saris with this blouse. If you want the pure ones, they are above 50,000, ma'am. And this is how it is. After discount, you're getting this at 15,999 only. Next one, please. Oh, wow. This is a nice color, actually. This is yellow and brown. Yellow and brown Kanjivaram sari with completely bandage. Babu, take this at the back. Show the blouse. Beautiful border, ma'am. You see the border? And this is the blouse. Excellent sari, ma'am. Nice kada. Chala bagundi, ma'am, ee sari with this border. Please contact 9949047889. I have one more color. Let me show you. This is orange and red color sari andi. Orange and red. My phone is orange and red color bandage sari with this beautiful blouse. After discount, you're getting this sari at 15,999 only, Andy. Don't miss this sari. Next, this is a beautiful blue and black sari andi. Very beautiful blue and black. Lovely combination. This is not black, ma'am. This is snuff brown. Dark brown, ma'am. This is with this blouse. Very beautiful sari. Copper sulphate blue with a brown combination. Excellent sari this is. Don't miss it. Brownish black, I can say. Dark version. After discount, you're getting this sari at 15,999 only. Very beautiful sari. Keep calling like that. This is a pink and purple sari, Andy. This is a pink and purple. Beautifully dyed sari. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. Why is there no light? Why there is no light? Ekkada unna? This is a pink and purple andi. Next sari I'll be showing you, andi. Very beautiful sari. It's a light green with a copper sulphate blue. Light green with a copper sulfate blue border. Beautiful saree it is. Very beautiful saree, and the combination, everything is so pretty. And this is how the pallu is. What will the next collection if you will be showing after Bandhani? No, no, ma'am. I was just looking at the phone. It's a light green with a blue only. Excellent saree it is. After discount, you're getting this at 15,999 only, and this is one more lovely color combination. Light purple to dark purple with a silver border. Such a beautiful combination this is. 15,999 only. After discount, you're getting it at 15,999 only. And look at the blouse, how nice it is. This is how it is only. Beautiful saree it is. Nice color. Next. It's a red color saree and red with bottle green. Look at this saree, how beautiful it is. This is how the blouse is. Nice red with bottle green andi. Combination, the border, everything is nice. Red with bottle green. This is red, pure red with a bottle green combination, ma'am. Chala baagundi. Next, this is how the pallu. Show the pallu, Nana. This is how the pallu is. And the blouse. 15,999 only, Andy. After discount. This is a lovely grey, Andy. Grey with copper sulfate blue. I just have 5 more pieces, Andy. After that, I'll show you something else. Nice Banarasi sarees. This is a grey with a copper sulfate blue. Not copper sulfate blue, a tinge of blue, a shade of blue. And this is how the pallu is. And this is the blouse. After discount, you're getting these beautiful sarees at 15,999 only. Oh, this is an amazing color. Beige color. Enta smart undandi this color. I drape it to Goddess Lakshmi. It is so nice. Thank you so much. I sent a pic to your number. Lakshmi ma'am, thank you. Thank you so much. It means a lot for us, ma'am. This is a biscuit color saree, andi. Biscuit and a beige color saree with a dark brown border. It's a beige color saree with a dark brown border. Don't miss this, ma'am. Chala baagundi cheera kuda. See, with the blouse and everything, no? It's very nice. After discount, you're getting this saree at 15,999 only. Next one, please. Show the pink. This is pink with black, Andy. This is a Rani pink with a black. Beautiful Rani pink with a black. Excellent saree, Andy. This one also. Not Rani pink. I can see a shade of pink, ma'am. Chala baagundi idi kuda. After discount, you're getting this at 15,999 only. Next one, please. This is grey with magenta pink. Oh wow, what a lovely combination this is. Very beautiful combination. And this is how the blouse is, Andy. See the blouse? Beautiful combination, kada? Lovely color, lovely border, and lovely combination it is. So beautiful it is. It's a grey with a magenta pink, Andy. Wonderful saree this is. Combination, the border, everything is nice. 15,999 only, Andy. I just have the last 3 sarees because a lot of people have been asking me this bandage, ma'am. This is a rust color with a bottle green. Rust and bottle green andi. Chaal baundi. And this is how the pallu is. Pallu is also very nice. Full zari. And this is the blouse. Beautiful Kanchi Bandhani saris. All these are. Don't miss them, ma'am. I have very limited collection. Only 15 pieces if I'm not wrong. And it takes a lot of time for these saris to come, ma'am. So this is how it is. The pink and the purple combination. This is very beautiful sari. See the blouse. So it's a pink and purple combination sari. Don't miss it. Hi Namita ma'am. That's it. I'm done with the bandage saris, Andi. One more you have. The last sari in bandage. This is the pallu. Beautiful pallu and the blouse. Lovely, no? Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. This is how the peach and the Rani pink combination is. It is so beautiful, ma'am. So beautiful. Trust me. This is the blouse. ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఆ వైబ్రెన్స్ వచ్చేస్తుంది ఇలాంటి కలర్స్ వేసుకుంటే కదా. చాలా బాగుంది చీర కూడా. ప్లీజ్ టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అండ్ సెండ్ ఇట్ ఆన్ 9949047889. We'll show the Banarasi sarees now. So ma'am, how was your Varalakshmi Ratham celebrated? Everybody had good time? Where are you? నిజమేనా అది? వీడియో కాల్ ఎందుకు ఎత్తట్లేదు మరి? ఓకే ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ అమేజింగ్ కలర్స్. చాలా బాగున్నాయండి. లెట్ మీ షో యూ. Show the sarees now. Ma'am, I'm going to show you the pretty collection in the fancy. Open check. ఎంత ఉంది ఇది? ఇది బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చిందా? Ma'am, these are just beautiful sarees. These are just 4,500, ma'am. 4,500 with a nice Banarasi blouse. See, this is the blouse. It's a completely Banarasi blouse like this. Full 4,500. Next, I have colors in this. This is one color. Nana. This is one more color, 4,500. And this is one more color, red. You have a blue blouse, ma'am, in this. And you have a heavy blue Banarasi blouse. Don't open. I don't want to open, basically. This is the blouse. So don't miss these sarees. They're very nice. 4,500. Just 4,500, ma'am. This is 10,999. Yeah, these are. Next, I have a pretty Banarasi sarees of 10,999, ma'am. This is very beautiful baby pink Banarasi saree, ma'am. It's 10,999. 10,999 only. Lovely saree this is. With the contrast blouse. Self blouse, na? Sorry. Ma'am, with a self blouse. I'm really sorry. You can wear contrast also if you want. See how beautiful it is. Lovely saree. 10,999, ma'am. This is 10,999. Next. Okay. Ma'am, this is a green color with bottle green piping. 10,999 only. Next, I have a blue color. This is yellow color. 10,999 only. This is yellow pure Banarasi, not pure, a good quality Banarasi Georgette sari. This is, and this is a blue. Tibidadi. This is a blue color, ma'am. Idi kuda chala baagundi. Let me open this for you. This is a nice blue color sari, andi. This is a nice blue color sari, and with this blouse. It's a lovely blouse. And this is sari. 10,999 only. Chala bagundi. Next. 10,999, ma'am. Amma. This is Georgette, ma'am. Yellow pure Georgette with nice silver gota stick-ons. Very beautiful sari. This is yellow color. Banarasi Georgette with this pallu and a nice blouse. 10,999. I have pink color in that. This is a pink color, ma'am. Light pink. Very beautiful combination, color combination. This is nice Georgette sari. This is pink color Georgette sari. You have a Rani pink piping. If you want, you guys can team up with a Rani pink blouse also. But this, it's a self blouse. 10,999. Hi Kalyan Garu. Kalyan Kadiala. This is a light blue color. Ingokka color undara. Subi. Beautiful sari andi. Idi kuda 10,999 only. Chala bagundi, ma'am. You see? Beautiful quality is very nice. Lovely sari it is. Next we have one more design. All these saris what I'm showing you are 10,999 only. This is red with a nice border, ma'am. 10,999 only. Let me show you the blouse of this sari. Self blouse. With this sleeve, you can get the sleeve stitched. This is also 10,999. Next. This is a nice yellow color, andi. Manchi yellow. 10,999. This one also. You can go with a contrast blouse or a self blouse, ma'am. Manishto with this pallu. Beautiful sari. Chala bagundi, ma'am. Quality silk, falling silk la undi. Excellent undi. 10,999 only. Next. This is a pink color. 10,999. Beautiful color, ma'am, with a contrast blue color patti. Beautiful, no? The sari is 10,999 only. No. Blouse unda daniki emanna? Ledhu kada. ఆ రెండు చూపించు. రెడ్ గ్రీన్ జార్జెటేనా? ఒకటి ఓపెన్ చేద్దాం, అన్నట్టు రెడ్ ఓపెన్ చేద్దామా? This is a red Georgette sari andi with a kalamkari blouse. Ma'am, I'm wearing an organza sari, ma'am. What I'm showing you now is a red Georgette sari with a kalamkari blouse. Very beautiful sari. See, this is also 10,999 only. Beautiful red color Georgette sari, 10,999. Show the colors. Two colors unnai kada. This is green color Georgette sari with this kalamkari blouse. Don't open. This is yellow color Georgette sari with a nice kalamkari blouse inside. Next. Green leheria you wore. Ma'am, the one I'm wearing is 22,500 and after discount you're getting this at ఎంత పాప 18,500 కదా
18.
after discount you're getting this at 18,500 ma'am. Kutch work. కచ్ ఎన్నునే చాలా ఉన్నాయి రేపు చూపిద్దామా ఎన్నునే చాలా అంటే కచ్ నెక్స్ట్ 50
15
15 కదా
చూపించు
చూపించు టూ గుడ్ కచ్ సారీస్ మ్యామ్ ఐ లవ్ దిస్ సారీస్ వాట్ ఐమ్ షోయింగ్ యూ నౌ చాలా బాగుంటాయి Ma'am, tomorrow I'm going to show you this variety of sarees. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm signing off now. Beautiful sarees, lovely sarees, ma'am. These are my favorites actually, but I'll show you later. Tussers, beautiful tussers అండి ఇవి నేను వేసుకున్న సారీ బ్లౌజ్ ఒకసారి చూపించమ్మా ఇదే కదా this is the blouse of the sari what I'm wearing. Somebody was asking me what is the price, so this is how it is. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. So till then, please take care and have a good day. Bye bye.